How to fix unable to open link in Google. In order for you to fix this issue, the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your App Store. Once you're in this page, in the source bar, search for Google. Move into this app. Right here instead of open, if you see the option of update, then your application is not up to date and it might be one of the reasons that you're facing this issue. If that's the case, simply click on update and update your app. Once you've got the latest version of the app, the next thing you want to do is head over to the settings of your device. Once you're inside the settings, head over to General and then move into iPhone storage. In the search bar, search for Google and then click on it. Now tap on Offload App. Once again, click on Offload App. It will clear the cache and the storage of the application. It will also remove all of the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. This might also fix the issue that you have been facing on Google, and then you'll be good to go. So that's the wrap for this video. If it was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.